Bro, why does closing a window not close the app? I've got like 12 dots in the dock and now the fans sound like a PS4. Yeah, welcome to macOS. That red button doesn't mean quit, it just closes the window. Oh, so it's like fake closing. Great. Not fake, it's just different. Once you get the hang of it, the system feels actually cleaner. The dock, menu bar, control center, they all work together. Give me a chance and I'll show you exactly how they all work together. Let's go. Alright, show me then. Cool. Now let's start with the basics. Now first up we have the menu bar. This little strip at the top of your screen is one of the most underrated features of the Mac. Unlike Windows, where every app has its own toolbar, on the macOS, the menu bar changes depending on the app you are in. So, when you click Safari, you get Safari controls, switch to any other app, and the menu bar switches too. On the right hand side, you will see the status icons, Wi-Fi, battery, clock, and more. But here's where it gets cool. The control center. This is like the quick settings on your iPhone. You can toggle Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, AirDrop, screen mirroring, dark mode, all from right here. And the best part, you can customize it. Just drag items in and out from your system settings. Next up, we have the notification center and widgets. Swipe with two fingers from the right edge of your trackpad or click on the clock in the menu bar. Here, you will see notifications, email, messages, and other stuff. And below that, widgets. Add your calendar, weather, stock prices, or even custom widgets from your apps. Next up, we have the dock. Think of it as your Mac's launchpad for apps. You can pin your favorites here, see running apps, and even store minimized windows. Has something Mac users often miss. You can drag folders into the dock for quick access. Try dragging your application folder in, you'll thank me later. Now, window management on Mac, it's different. Closing a window with the red button doesn't mean quitting the app. It just hides the window. The app is still running in the background. To properly quit, you need Command plus Q or right click the dock icon and select quit. You can also hide apps with Command plus H. Full screen mode with the green button is different too. It puts app into its own dedicated space, not just a maximized window like Windows. And yes, you do have Alt plus Tab, but here it's Command plus Tab. For even more power, swipe up with 3 fingers to open Mission Control. Here you can see every window, add multiple desktops, and drag apps between them. If you want snapping like in Windows, macOS has Stage Manager. Turn it on from Control Center and it neatly organizes your apps along the side. Now Finder, it's your best friend. It's the Mac equivalent of File Explorer, but it has some unique powers. You can change how your folders are viewed, icons, lists, columns, or gallery. You can even customize what each folder opens to by default. Now if you want to cut and paste like Windows, here's the trick. Command plus C to copy and Command plus Option plus V to move. Yeah, the Option key is the secret sauce. Another cool one here, tabs. You don't need multiple Finder windows, just open tabs like in a browser. And with Preview pane, you can see the info about files instantly. And don't forget Time Machine. It's macOS's built-in backup. Just plug in a drive and it automatically creates snapshots of your system. If you ever lose files or even your entire Mac, you can roll back in time. If you're new to Mac, set this up right away. It's a lifesaver. Okay, now Spotlight Search is pure magic. Press Command plus space and you can find anything. But it's not just search. It does math, unit conversions, dictionary lookups, weather, and even launches apps faster than your dock. Here's a hidden trick. You can search even system settings, emails, or documents buried deep in folders. It's your all-in-one launcher. Now MacBook's trackpad is legendary. Here are some gestures you'll love. 2-finger scroll, pinch with 4 fingers to show launchpad, spread to activate mission control, swipe left and right with 3 fingers to switch desktops. Once you get used to this, every other laptop feels clunky. Now here are some useful keyboard shortcuts. Command plus tab switches apps. Command plus space, it opens up your Spotlight search. Command plus shift plus 3, screenshot entire screen. And command plus shift plus 4, screenshot selected area. Use option plus command plus escape to open up force quit menu. And use control plus command plus space to open your emoji picker. Yeah, Mac has a built-in emoji keyboard. Now don't forget about passwords. macOS saves them securely in a keychain, synced across devices. And with the Touch ID on your MacBook, logging in and autofilling passwords is instant. And remember, if you are ever worried about losing your data, Time Machine has your back. It's like System Restore, but smarter and automatic. And that's it. You have unlocked the essentials of your MacBook. From the menu bar to Finder to Spotlight to all those hidden tricks that makes your macOS feel magical. If this video helped you, smash that like, subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments which is your favorite Mac feature and the one you struggled with the most as a beginner. And if you're a Windows switcher, you have to check out my full video on how to use a Mac with an Android phone. It's a total game changer. Thanks for watching and enjoy your Mac journey.